I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the exact environment, install Python 3, 10 or newer and pip, then create a virtual environment and activate it. Once done, clone the app repository or copy the project files to a working folder and open requirements. TXT to see dependencies. Make sure to read any config or env example now so you know what values are required. This prevents surprises. After that, run pip install R requirements, TXT to fetch packages, and confirm no errors before moving on. You now configure runtime settings and perform the complex middle steps. First, export or set environment variables and edit. Env with API keys, ports, and mode flags so the app uses correct services. Next, initialize or migrate the database and run any seed scripts to populate essential data, because many features require initialized state. Then start the server using the app's recommended command and watch logs. If an error appears, read stack traces and adjust config values. Make sure to test a main endpoint to confirm core. You finish by validating and stabilizing the app. Run a few integration checks, load key pages, call APIs, and verify authentication and data persistence. Once those pass, enable verbose logging and test error paths so you understand failure modes. If an issue arises, reproduce it locally, inspect logs, and then change config or code. One key tip: if dependencies or environment variables look wrong, recreate the virtual env, reinstall requirements, and confirm ports are free. That resolves most startup problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.